Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a close look at the Warhammer 40,000 First Strike starter set, along with 3 of the Space Marine Heroes individual boxes you could pick up at various stores like Target and Barnes & Noble. So let's get started. We'll start off first with the Primaris Intercessors. Now, all these models, including the Space Marine Heroes as well as the Primaris Marines in the First Strike box set, are all snapped together, easy to pose models. I've not glued them together yet, and the purpose of that was to show you. So let's take a look at this first Primaris Intercessor here. Get him zoomed in.
Eat bolt gun!
As usual, high quality GW castings. Each arm piece has a peg and slot. See if you can see that there. See the peg and the slot for the arm. And you just stick them on. Although I highly advise, if you plan to use these models other than just display, that you go ahead and glue them together.
Stay vigilant, brothers.
Let's take a look at this one. I like his helmet hanging down on his belt there. More great quality work from the Great Games Workshop. And as most of you know, I'm a 3D printmaker, and yes, I do print Space Marines, but I also support the Great Games Workshop because I love their universe, their lore, and it's important to help support them. So I pick up little starter sets like these, little box sets like these Space Marine Heroes. I subscribe to White Dwarf. I use Citadel paints for my models, or all my models I should say. Next up, the Primaris Reavers. I love that skull looking face there, and the fact that they all have combat knives.
Space Marines attack!
And again, these are the same as the last. These go together by easy snap, hole and peg. Now there's nothing wrong, what I'm about to say rather, is I don't like the smaller shoulder pad. I like big Space Marine shoulder pads. However, there's nothing wrong with this. It's a good look. Nothing wrong with that, but just kind of not my thing. I like big Space Marine shoulder pads. And our Reaver Sergeant.
Yes, my lord.
I love the half skull helmet on his face. Great models. If I remember correctly, this box set cost me around $30. It also has some Death Guard models, which I'll feature those in another video with some other Chaos Marines. I'm still looking to get the Space Marine Series 3 heroes, which feature Nurgle Death Guard. So let's go ahead and take a look at these.
For the Emperor!
Look at the base. Nice looking base. Let's see if we can adjust our light a little more. Great looking model. And it's my understanding that these poses are only available in the Space Marine Heroes sets. That's an awesome pose. Here's another.
Move out!
Look at the Aquila on the base. I love his combat gear on his belt. Great models. Let's go ahead and open this one up and take a look at what's inside. So here's our sprue, and they come with a card, and I've already took this model's card out. I didn't think to put that back before we started the video. I'll have to get that. You have a little sheet of instructions on how to put your Space Marine together, and a checkoff list of all the Space Marine heroes in that series. And here's our sprue, and as you can see, the same with the First Strike box set. We have the easy snap together system. A choice of 2 heads, which is great for building your Bitz Box. Love that base. Again, the snap-on quick set. I think on this particular model, I'd probably go with a helmet. Save that head for another model. Perhaps a 3D printed one. Alright, I paused the video to go find the card for Brother Primathor here. Comes with some little stats there. And I believe these stats relate to a 40K game that right now I believe is only in Japan. Art card on the back. So again, in each box set, instructions, checklist, card, and one-of-a-kind Space Marine model. Great little box set. And if I remember correctly, I paid about probably $8 with tax for this individual Marine, which might seem pricey for one Marine, but you have to remember that that's a special edition, special pose. That's the only way you can get it. Alright, well, if you like these Marines, comment down below. If you don't like them, comment down below. Tell me what you think of them, of the First Strike box set of Space Marines and the Space Marine Heroes Series 1 boxes. If you want to see more Plastic Soldiers, please subscribe. And if you can, please just drop me a simple like down below. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. You have a good day.